Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to find the wireless key for your wireless connection in Windows. So there's several ways you could do this. You could do it from the command line, you could go into your network settings, but this is a nice little tool here. You just have to run it, nothing to install. You could take this with you in your toolkit on your flash drive, so if you're ever somewhere else and you need to get on the network on their computer and they might not know the key, you could quickly pull it up with this. So once you download this file from NirSoft, from their website, which I'll put in the description there. It's going to be a zip file, so there's going to be a key. They have the key for the zip file on the website here, so it's a password protected zip file. So once you extract it, you'll have these files here. So you just double click the WirelessKeyView.exe. Say yes to the prompt, make this full screen. And you can see here are the wireless connections on this one. This is just a test computer, so it has a couple of connections. So this is not even on wireless right now, but these are remembered keys from last time it was. So the network name, the key type, the hex value, adapter name, and so on. And then, of course, the wireless key right there. And you have the last modified dates. So these were about a month ago, and then the file name for it right there. So there's several things you could do here. You got the file menu, so if you want to go into your advanced options, you could check out some of these here. You could save the items, you could save a selected items, let's say this one here. You could save it as a text file, let's call this test and we'll check it out. So there's information about it right there. So rather than having to copy and paste it somehow, you could just save it and have all the details right here for that. Check the properties, kind of gives you the same information. Open the file name in Notepad, open the folder in Explorer, delete it, export it, so on, import keys from another saved file there. You have the find options here, copy, view. Now this is kind of cool, the display QR code. So if you want to have this, and then you could just take your phone right up to it and connect to the wireless network without having to actually put in the password there. And if you want to show grid lines, if you have a bunch of them, mark odd and even roads, show the SSIDs without keys, do HTML report with everything. So let's say you got a bunch of them, you just want to make a report. Like that. And that's about it. It's pretty simple. You could save items here, do a refresh, copy, check the properties, the same kind of options here as you had on the menus up here. So once again, it's just a nice little tool that you could use to find the SSID name, the security type, the hexadecimal value, the password, what adapters it's using, and so on. So if you have a bunch, a good way to just keep track of everything you've been connected to, and then you could delete them from here as well. And then, like I said, if you're on a computer and you need to get on that network, you could hop on a computer that's connected, just run this real quick and get the information right there. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.